Greetings all. In this video I will show you how to install IObit Uninstaller 11 Pro for free, and so let's start. First, disable your antiviruses on the PC. Then follow this link and install the installer archive. Now unzip it to a convenient location and run the installer, then wait for the program to install. As you can see, I now have the free version installed. We will now fix that. Return to the folder and go to the resource there, copy the file version.dll and then go to the program folder and paste it with replacement. I pasted this file into the root folder of IObit Uninstaller 11 Pro, and now we will try to run it. And yes, successfully. As you can see, now we have Pro version of IObit Uninstaller 11 Pro. Accordingly, this crack is fully working and we got the Pro version for free. Thanks for watching. Download link is below in the description.